Yawning. Here we're stimulating the part of the brain that supports self-reflection and memory retrieval with a big yawn. You know exactly how to do this. So to trigger a deep yawn, do 6 or 7 fake yawns. This is going to feel silly. Go ahead and try it. Keep yawning. Do a whole bunch of fake yawns, and eventually a real yawn might emerge. Keep going if you can. Just keep yawning, and by the 10th or 12th yawn, you might start to feel changes. As you keep yawning, notice, do you feel relaxed? Do you feel more highly alert? Do you feel present in your body? Your eyes might start watering, your nose might even run. That's completely normal. Continue this for as long as you can. Just have fun with it.